This will be the greatest gift you will be giving to your child. The right mental setup from the right age. Because there are so many things which I am saying, the moment I tell elders, okay. That is why I decided, better let me start teaching to kids. See, teaching to these elders is like altering the building as per Vastu, after building. You build as you want and then demolish, reconstruct as per Vastu. That fellow will make you spend 10 times more than the original building. But teaching to the kids is like a planning as per Vastu and building. New construction. That is why I say, this great truth, learning to externalize most subtle internal happenings of your life spontaneously, should be the underline or the thread, current of all our Gurukul training. Understand? Making all the subtlest internal happenings as external. Externalizing all the most subtlest internal happenings. When you internalize the external things, more and more bondage happens. When you externalize internal things, more and more liberation happens. That's all. When you externalize, first the body becomes external. Then prana becomes external. Then the thoughts becomes external. Then emotions becomes external. Then the pains caused by that emotions becomes external. Then the very experience of consciousness become external. Only finally, ultimately, the pure consciousness alone remains as internal. Ramana Maharshi says very clearly, throw everything, whatever you can, throw it out. Finally, something will be there which you can't throw it out, hold on to that, that's all. Externalize everything which you can. Finally, there will be something which you will not be able to externalize. Let that be your internal, that's all.